Just make sure it's in here. Back to 34. This time I want you to see the left hand bass line starting on, move this down. So it starts with an F sharp and B down to E, then to A, and then B, E, A, and you repeat that. A and then B, E, A, and then B, and then C. Alright, now we're going to put that together with the melody. F sharp. The left hand F sharps. Okay, here is this hands together. So I can make it go a little higher so you can see it better.